You know, I'm always on the hunt for new, easy, and interesting recipes to try, and I found a keeper. It's a quick dish with a long name: garlicky, lemon, and herb baked chicken with potatoes. Oh, and it's cooked in duck fat. Oh my goodness, it's so good. And I can't wait to show you so you can make it for your family too, right here on Darlene's Table. Well, good morning. It was a really busy weekend. My granddaughter got married. And oh my goodness, we were so busy. We arrived on Wednesday and we came home on Monday. It was a wonderful day. Well, today I'm going to make garlicky, lemon herbed baked chicken with potatoes. This is a one dish meal. You can do it, mix it, put it in the oven, all in this one dish. I'm going to start with 5 chicken thighs. And I have a pound of the gold small potatoes. You could also use the fingerling potatoes. Now at this point, I'm going to put smoked paprika all over this, salt and pepper. All right, this is 6 tablespoons of duck fat. You could use vegetable oil because duck fat can be a little difficult to find. You can buy it on Amazon and in specialty high-end grocery stores. We're going to mix this up real well, coat it well with the duck fat. I'm going to, see, I just cut the tops. I just cut the top off of the garlic. We're going to roast it. And some twigs of thyme, lemon, now I'm going to mix it again. I want this all coated with that duck fat. See? You can see. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 40 minutes, at which time we'll change the temperature to 425 for about 20 minutes. Oh, that looks so good. If you can find duck fat, use it. It adds such a wonderful flavor to this dish. Otherwise, you can use vegetable oil. Now it's time to add some fresh herbs. I use tarragon and chives. That's what I had. You can use other fresh green herbs of your choice. We didn't show it, but those roasted garlic pods are amazing. Simply pop them out of their skins and eat them with the bread. This was a fantastic, flavorful dish. Definitely welcome on my table any day of the week. I've got to tell you though, that duck fat made this dish special. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Click on the like button and hit the bell so you will be notified when we post another video. Anyway, we hope to see you again soon on Darlene's Table. Have a blessed day.